Hi, my name is David Shiffman. I'm a PhD candidate at the University of Miami's Abbess Center for Ecosystem Science and Policy. Along with my advisor, Dr. Neil Hammerschlag, I just completed one of the first ever studies of the knowledge, attitudes, and practices of recreational shark fishermen here in Florida.
Although recreational shark fishers are probably one of the most likely stakeholders to interact with sharks on a near daily basis, the scale, the attitudes, the perceptions, and just the economics of shark catch and release fishing is not well understood.
Using an internet search, we identified 137 charter boat operations located throughout the state of Florida, though heavily concentrated in the Florida Keys, that advertise that they fish for sharks. And we performed a content and discourse analysis of the websites and fishing magazine advertisements for these companies, focusing on what species they target, whether they're released, and a variety of other factors. And we also submitted a voluntary online survey to each of the 137 charter boat captains identified. The charter boat captains that we interviewed indicated that their customers want to shark fish because of the excitement and challenge associated with catching large fish such as sharks. This is a very different set of motivations than people who are going out to catch fish to eat for dinner that night.
Hammerhead sharks were one of the species that was most desired to be caught and were actually targeted. However, some of our other research shows that hammerheads aren't good catch and release species because they fight really hard in a line, are very fragile, and have very low stress tolerance. And in fact, even after swimming away, they often don't survive that fishing event.
The charter boat captains that we spoke to for this study showed evidence of a very strong conservation ethic. They're very concerned about the future of the marine resources in the area, and what this means is most of them said that they always or almost always practice catch and release when fishing for sharks, even though this is not legally required for many species of sharks that they interact with.
It's encouraging to see that sharks are economically important to Florida's charter boat recreational fishery. Captains display a conservation ethic, and clients are catching and releasing sharks. Moreover, our data shows that some species of sharks can be suitable candidates for responsible catch and release fishing, and if done right, this may be a non-consumptive way that people can enjoy sharks.